Welcome back. Today we're counting down the top 5 richest countries in the world by GDP per capita, PPP, in 2025. Let's get into it. Key-cap 5 Qatar, $118,760 per capita. A small country with massive oil and gas wealth. Key-cap 4 Ireland, $131,550 per capita. Powered by tech and pharmaceutical industries. Key-cap 3 Macau SAR, $140,250 per capita. Known as the Las Vegas of Asia, thriving on casinos and tourism. Key-cap 2 Singapore, $153,610 per capita. A global hub for trade, finance, and innovation. Key-cap 1 Luxembourg, $154,910 per capita. Europe's financial powerhouse, small but incredibly wealthy. That's the countdown of the richest countries in 2025. Follow and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.